CS1102, then click next. Alright, good. Okay, great, this is good. So click finish now. Because we have the source folder now. No module,
Yeah.
don't create. Alright. Good. Alright, so now let's go ahead and you can click on File, New, and then Class. Okay,
So
and it's
we still select the
superpower.
public.
Yeah, and then
So should I continue adding the
okay, so
system
you can
option?
delete the comment first. Delete that comment. Okay, great. And so it's system capital S dot out dot println and open bracket double quote and all caps superpowers to the rescue. Alright, and put a semicolon at the end. We'll just avoid having to fix an errors. Alright, you know the semicolon is in it. You see that red line there?
Oh,
it shows you that there was an error, right? So now you can click on run. You can click on run and yeah, run again. The shortcut is Control F11.
yeah.
So see the output. Look at the bottom of the Eclipse. Yeah, see it there.
Oh yeah, I see the screen.
Okay, good. So the code executes. It prints our message. So it's a lot longer to do a print than in Python. Ridiculous.
Yeah, it is.
So let's go back to the work and then do the rest of the code.
Okay.
Okay. So scroll down until we see that. Oh, pause. Okay. So now we're going to use the graphical options of Java. Okay, so Java can do a text-based output, just like you saw there, or we can do graphical. So you're gonna add import. Okay, what you do? Just scroll up a little bit, just as though the textbook tells you. Okay, let's go back to the book and scroll down to read some more. Okay, so it tells us to replace the system out with that code there. So scroll down so that code stays on the screen. Scroll down a little bit, top. Okay, that's up. Okay, open the Eclipse. Open the Eclipse.
Okay.
Yeah. So all right. So what you're going to do is you're going to delete. What you can do, save the text superpowers to the rescue, so you don't have to type it. You can cut that out. So highlight superpowers with your mouse. Superpowers to the rescue. Superpowers to the rescue. Highlight that with the mouse. Yes. Okay, good. And you press Control X on the keyboard and delete the rest of that. You don't need the rest of that system outline and all of that stuff there. Okay, good. Delete all of that, please. No. You're not done yet, man. Delete all of that. You're still leaving some stuff behind.
Like the and the
look. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, good. So now you're gonna type. Go back inside you always use an indent space when you type in your code in a method, right? Okay. So type J option pane just like you see it at the top with all of those text there, in the same case. No.
Okay.
Yeah, same case. I know it's very crazy why they have 2 capital letters there, but that's just the rules, man. If you don't do it, they'll punish you. Yeah.
Okay, let's see that.
So exactly like you see it is the way you're gonna do it.
Okay. So J option pane, we start replacing.
Yeah, just type it exactly as you see it. Dot, show message. Type exactly what you see at the top there. Nah, just delete that here, and just put
Right.
paste in what you had, copied.
Oh,
Control V on the keyboard, yeah. And let me see if that okay. Right, and then you're gonna put a closing right. That looks fine.
yeah.
Just make Eclipse a little bigger, please, so we can see if there's anything missing. Alright, we're not seeing any
That
red
looks
lines,
okay.
and that's a good sign. So we should
Yeah.
run it, and we should see the graphical window appear. So go ahead and run it. See?
Oh,
It's popped up.
okay.
So that's the graphical feature of JOption pane. Instead of seeing a text only
Yeah.
in the window, it actually pops up a window on the screen. So that's what
Okay.
Java can
That's
do.
good.
Java can make very live and interesting graphical things appear on your computer.
Okay.
Right?
Okay. I see that.
Alright.
I see that.
So you can
Yeah.
click OK to make it disappear.
Okay.
And let's scroll down to find the rest of the questions. Alright. So we're going to
This
make the
one
program
now.
more interactive by allowing them to type input.
Okay.
So you're going to add that code before the JOption pane that you printed there. So click in the Eclipse and right at the curly bracket there, push that down. About 2 spaces.
Oh, 2 spaces.
Yeah, okay. And then you can add
The stream power.
so that's what you're going to be doing. So string is the name of a variable type. Yeah.
Then the option pane again.
Yeah.
Option pane. Should I run the code? Oh. Hello, are you still there?
Yeah, I'm still here. So you would type
Oh,
that in, and then it would save it in the string called power. All right, so you can cancel that. So that's
okay.
just to show you how we can make interactive screens for you. All right, but there's more to the program. So let's go back to it. Scroll down. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add the string to the contents of the variable power. All right. So you're going to add that says the message to the rescue. Okay. So you see the second argument in the show message dialog box. You see that option there is going to be what you add to the string here. So just make the code available for you to type. Scroll down a little bit so you can know how to adjust it.
I didn't get that you're cutting.
Sorry. So scroll down. Bring up a little bit. One more.
Okay, this way. Oh, this
Okay,
just
great.
like
Now
this.
bring up Eclipse. Bring up Eclipse. Alright, great. So you can make the Eclipse a little bigger because it's all the way at the top. So make the Eclipse window a little bigger. Yeah. Okay, great. That's fine. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to make that adjustment. So notice now that all we need to do is to click after where it has null. So go to the last line where JOption pane is, and you have null. Go after the comma.
Yes.
And put the variable name called power. So it's POWER, and then a plus sign. Okay, now let me give you a bit of
Doesn't matter if
advice.
I little space.
You want to put a space in front of the S in superpower, just so it doesn't stick. Or let's try
A
it before.
space.
Let me show you. No, well, let me show you why it's gonna make a difference. No, this is actually done good enough. We're actually done. But let's run it and see if it formats properly in terms of how it looks on the screen. But this will work. Right now this will work. Alright, so type in your superpower. Yeah. Fire. Oh, man. Fire. Okay, so you see it doesn't have a space on the out screen, so when you click OK,
Okay.
you can make a space in front of the S, right? Because that's
In front
gonna
of the
literally
S.
print. Yeah. Yeah. Good. And then run it one more time. Yeah, there
It
you
looks
go.
proper
Well,
now.
yeah, it looks proper now. Yeah. But
Yeah.
there it is. You have entered text in a string variable and added it to a graphical output window in Java. So congratulations, man. Java stressed you out with just 2 lines of code.
Yeah.
Yes,
Just two
welcome to
lines
hell.
of code.
Yes,
Yeah.
welcome to hell. Okay.
I need a lot
Let's make
more
sure that everything is done though.
practice.
Let's go on the document and just be thorough and make sure that scroll down. So we did all of that. We entered the name.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, right. We have something
Lot
more
of
to do. I
things.
almost forgot. Right. As final features to make it all capitals. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So we're gonna add the two upper methods. So just bring up the Java Eclipse on the screen once more. That's good. All right. So the power is going to be two uppercase. Okay. So what you're
Yes.
gonna do is you're gonna add this code after the what is your superpower. So it's gonna be in between those 2 lines. Okay. No. Meaning the two
The
lines meaning the statements. So on your
the
screen, a
same.
statement ends with a semicolon.
Yeah.
So when I say between the two statements, I mean those two long statements that are inside of public static void. So you're going to go in
Okay.
between
Okay.
that. So you're going to
In
go at the
between the
end of,
statements.
yeah, exactly, good.
Uh-huh.
So give a little space there for readability, all right? And then
Sweet.
you're gonna choose, right? So power equals power dot to uppercase. So this is gonna change anything that you type when you run the program. It's gonna make it sure it's all capitals. No, you left the equal out though. So go back.
Or power. So it has
Equal,
to be
yeah,
power
because they're
equals.
updating. When you say variable equal variable dot something, you're actually making an update. Okay.
Oh
So
yeah.
power, yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So power
Then
dot
power.
to uppercase, and that to uppercase has special case. I tell you, man, it's crazy. Yeah,
It's gonna take a lot of practice to
that's what I'm telling you. So that's why I
hammer
warned you
it.
that if you don't practice daily, outside
Yeah.
of the assignments, it's gonna give you hell. But
Yeah.
semicolon, please. Okay, great. Now go ahead and you can run the program one more time to see what it does. So this is a method that applies to strings. Okay. So type any
Yes.
word in lowercase. You play with fire, you're gonna get burned, man. So see
Oh.
there, notice
So
that it's all
yeah.
uppercase?
It's all
Right. So
uppercase.
that's what the
Yeah.
method does. If you wanna experiment with it, you can try commenting out the code. So put two double slashes in front of power, yeah, and then run the code, and you'll see that it goes back to how it was before. Press OK, and
Oh
see
yeah.
lowercase, yeah, okay. So you can remove the comment, remove the two slashes, and great, it's good. All right. So you can go ahead and scroll down just to check the question. All right, so now what you're going to upload is a screenshot and the code. So see, the code is easy, okay?
Yeah.
Because you're going to save the file. The file superpower.java is on your computer. So go back to
Yeah.
your screen. Go back to your
My
screen.
Eclipse.
Eclipse.
Uh-huh.
And if you want to find out where the code is, so
Yeah.
go to File, click on File, and open File. And you see it's showing you your folder. Do you see the Eclipse folder?
Yeah.
Open it. The workspace. See workspace?
Yeah, this one. Yeah, I
Right.
see.
And
Oh, this
CS1102.
is it.
And you want the SRC folder.
Oh, here
And
it
see,
is.
so you would copy this file. You could like right click on it and you could copy it to downloads or my documents or wherever, right?
Yeah.
So you can
Yeah.
copy it and put it somewhere. that you can upload it later, okay? So
Yes,
you could,
sir.
yeah, right. So you could copy it. Oh, right. Okay, great. Then now for the screenshot, let me show you how to do a screenshot. Close that window, okay? For the
Oh,
screenshot now,
this one.
yeah. For the screenshot now, click on the question. No, don't maximize Eclipse.
Oh, I should maximize it. Okay.
No, go back on the
So go.
question. It says in the screenshot showing the input with some lowercase. So we're going to run the program in Eclipse one more time.
Okay.
Alright, you're going to type the word, but don't click OK. Type the word
Okay.
for the superpower. Alright, so to make a screenshot, you can click on the Windows icon.
The Windows icon.
And type the word snip, SNIP. Snipping tool. Alright, so click on snipping tool. And then click on new. And you're going to drag them with that arrow, where that cross arrow is. You're going to drag that arrow just as enough space is needed. No, not so far. You don't need such a big
Oh,
man.
so far.
You only need to get the box with the fire in it. Okay? Yeah.
Okay.
I understand it's the first time you're using it, so you can just get a little bit of space around it. Yeah. And that's good, right? That's good. That's good. And you can save this. So click on save. You can save. See the icon to save. Yeah, and give it a name, screenshot, superpower, or something like that. Use a space, man. Use a space, so we can read this thing better. Yeah. All right, that's good. You can click save, and put it in the folder that you want for your. Is that the right folder? University 1? Anyway, that's you can figure it out. Okay.
Yeah, it's
alright, so you can close it. You can close it now. And we have one more screenshot to make. I think click OK.
Just this one.
Yeah, make that one. So snipping tool, open the snipping tool again. The other way to do a screenshot is to do print screen on the keyboard, but that one is a little messier. It makes you have to do too much editing, you know?
Oh, okay.
So yeah.
Okay.
And you can save this. It's already in that folder. Right.
Yeah. So just
so screenshot 2. You can say screenshot 2, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah. I guess that's it.
Alright, so look back in the question to see if we're totally done. Alright, so scroll down. Alright, so okay, so with the programming assignment now, we can actually upload this right now, okay? So let's go to the University of the People. So minimize this and go back to the University of the People tab.
Yes.
Programming assignment submission phase. Okay, yeah. It says that we need to submit it today.
Yeah.
So add submission. And so, yeah, we can do this right now.
Yes. That's right, superpower.
Alright, so you're gonna add the files, right?
Yeah.
I think you can select all of them, all 3 files, and it should upload. Use a mouse and drag, I think. No, yeah.
Oh, it doesn't allow it to select them.
Okay,
yeah.
just do it one by one, no problem.
Yeah. And to upload this, then select another one.
Man, you move so fast. Did you watch the movie Sonic the Hedgehog? Man, I'm telling you. Okay, let's scroll up a bit. Let's see if there's anything else you need to type in the box. Scroll up on the screen.
In the box.
Okay, scroll up. Let's look at the scroll up some more. Okay. Alright, so you include the superpower file. You have a class, public class called superpower. You have a main method. and it is static. You have J option pane assigned to a string.
Yeah.
The main method uses J option pane dialog. To uppercase method. What is your superpower screenshot? Message dialog saying to the rescue where power is input convert uppercase. Yes. Scroll down some more. Alright, so in the submission, just make sure to put your name. Just put your name and your instructor's name. In that white space there. Yeah, in that white space there, yeah.
This one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You could put like CS1102 Unit 1 programming assignment.
Okay.
Yeah. It's probably not necessary.
I think that's okay.
We just want to look neat. Okay, and then you can put your name. Although your name is automatically given because it's on Moodle, your name automatically comes with it, so it doesn't need to put your name at all. So, all right.
Yeah.
So everything checks off. You can send it. All right. So remember, this is your last chance. Once you save it, once you finalize it, oh, you see, you get some previews there. That's great. So you have the Java file as well. And okay, so that's a code. Okay. All right, nice. So edit submission. No. So wait. Scroll up a little bit. Let me see something. Scroll up a little bit. Okay. All right. Okay. Good. Scroll down. And yeah, scroll down. Click on edit submission. Scroll down some more.
Oh, it allows me
this is if you want. This is if you wanted to make any changes, right? So you can save the changes now. All right, and scroll down a little bit now, please. Okay, so it is saved, so that should be fine.
Yeah, so
right.
that's
just to be on the safe side, send a message to your instructor asking him if he sees your assignment. And let me show you how you find his name. So you can scroll up. Scroll up, go back click back one time. Scroll up. Back again. Go back again. Back again.